What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So running an LLC is not easy, and there are so many things I wish I knew before starting mine. So in today's video, we're going to just focus on one important aspect of your LLC, which is your operating agreement. I'm going to also show you the easiest way I found to set one up and actually manage my LLC day to day. So what exactly is an LLC operating agreement? Think of it as a blueprint for your business. It's a document that lists all of the rules and regulations for how your LLC operates, whether you're a single member LLC or have a group of owners. Now, this agreement explains exactly how things are going to run. But do you need one? Most states actually don't require you to have an operating agreement. Most don't even need to see that you have one at all. But without it, you're leaving yourself open to potential conflicts and legal headaches down the road. If you don't have one and you have business partners, then basically you're just allowing them to do whatever they want with no set rules in place legally. Having an operating agreement in place helps protect you and your business by clarifying roles, responsibilities, and how you can handle any conflict that does come up. Now, you may not want to do it alone, and that's cool. I have a single member LLC. The whole too many cooks in the kitchen saying is a real thing. Now, while you may not have to worry about partners being an issue, there are some other reasons having one is a good idea. For one, having an operating agreement can help protect your personal assets. By not having one in place, your single member LLC could be at risk of being treated like a sole proprietorship. Another business structure that doesn't offer a safety net over your personal belongings. So if a lawsuit happens, they could be considered fair game. But with an operating agreement in place, you're reinforcing the separation between you and your business. Now, another reason for having an operating agreement is clarity. Personally, if I don't write it down, I'm not thinking to remember it, even if I think I will. Having everything written down in black and white can help avoid any confusion in the future and give you a physical backing if you were to ever need it legally. So what's actually in an operating agreement? Well, there are usually 4 things every operating agreement should have. First, there are management and voting rules. This section is all about who's in charge and how decisions get made. Second is capital contributions and distributions, aka the money. This section spells out who's putting what cash or assets into the LLC and how any profits or losses are going to be divided up among the members. Now, next up is membership and dissolution practices. This is going to cover how the LLC goes about adding new members or partners and the process if a partner wants to leave the LLC altogether. It also spells out what needs to occur if the business itself is actually ending. Now, last up are the guidelines about how the company should operate. Remember, at the beginning of the video when we described an operating agreement as a blueprint, well, this section spells out the guidelines of how you want your LLC to operate. Now, just because your LLC has an operating agreement doesn't mean it can never change. It's literally called the living document. That means it can and should change over time as your business grows and evolves. Maybe someone leaves the LLC, or you decide to try a different profit-sharing arrangement. Your operating agreement should be updated to show these changes to keep everything on track. Now, I know all of this can sound like a lot, believe me, I've been there, but you don't have to do this alone. Using a business formation service like Zen Business to help you set everything up can make your life much easier and less stressful. Zen Business can help with just about everything when it comes to forming your LLC, including providing an operating agreement template to get you started. But they don't just stop there at formation. They also help you keep your LLC running smoothly with services like worry-free compliance, which handles your annual reports and sends reminders so you stay in good standing with the state. Also, if you are looking to build out your brand online, their premium plan includes a few tools that can make that a lot easier. You get a custom domain name with privacy, a simple AI website builder, and a business email address. These are all great for making sure your business looks professional online from day one. That being said, I see Zen Business as one of the best formation services out there, especially if it's your first time, because they just streamline the whole process and make everything incredibly easy to get started. Now, before we get into pricing, if you want to explore more about Zen Business, feel free to check the affiliate links below. It's a quick way to see what might work best for your business, and it'll also show you any deals that we currently have available. Now, what does it cost? Well, right now there are 3 main options. They range from a basic filing service, meaning you do most of the groundwork and Zen Business handles the official filing to the state, to Zen Business providing more comprehensive support for your business. Remember, your state fees are charged separately from these plans. If you're more of a do-it-yourself person or you need minimal help on the legal side of things, the starter plan may be the best fit for you. Now, price-wise, this option is incredibly affordable because it's $0 plus state fees. Your only financial obligation would be covering the cost of the state fees. In terms of paperwork, It'll all be on you to complete the initial information. The processing time for the starter plan is typically 7 to 10 business days for Zen Business to complete their part. It also includes 1 year of their worry-free compliance service. This is a huge benefit for new business owners because it helps you stay on track with all of the ongoing state requirements like filing annual reports and other important paperwork. The service sends you proactive alerts and notifications about upcoming deadlines, which helps you avoid costly fines and ensure your business stays in good standing. So if you have time to spare and you're able to do some of the additional needs yourself, this could be the right choice for you. Now, if you need more support legally and you want faster processing, you can go with their Pro plan. This plan is only $200 a year. This includes everything in the starter plan, plus Zen Business will obtain an EIN for you, providing an operating agreement template for you, and they'll process your paperwork with rush filing service, meaning Zen Business completes their part in just 1 business day. This would be great for someone who has their marketing already established and just needs help with the core legal aspects and quicker setup. Now, if you're just starting out and looking for the most support Zen Business has to offer, you can choose the premium plan for around $300 a year. This plan gives you everything you get with the Pro plan, plus additional tools to get your business online: a business domain name with privacy, an AI website builder, and a business email address. A great option for someone truly starting from scratch who needs help with both legal formation and establishing a professional online presence. Now, if you don't need a full package, you can also purchase some of Zen Business's services on their own. For example, they can help you obtain an EIN for your business for a one-time fee of around $100. And if you need a registered agent, which handles all of your official legal mail, that service also costs around $100 for the first year. So when I started my LLC, I had no clue what I was doing. I needed support with everything. And if I had to do it again, I personally would have gone with the premium plan offered by Zen Business. While I understand it costs more than the starter or the Pro plans, it also comes with a lot more benefits, especially for setting up your online presence. Now, something I haven't talked about, and that's Zen Business customer support. I needed a lot of help getting started. I didn't have any personal connections that I could turn to, and this whole process was very, very new to me. So I really relied on Zen Business for their expertise. Every single representative I got was helpful in answering all of my questions. Zen Business offers support by phone, chat, and email. Beyond getting support with starting your LLC, you also can get access to their online presence tools in the premium plan. It's been my experience since forming my LLC that the more support I have access to, the more time I save and the headaches I avoid. Having a service like Zen Business that can provide an integrated website builder and domain helps make your online presence look much more professional and put together, so it's an easy recommendation. And that's going to be it for today's video. I really hope you found this helpful. And if you did, then please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. And again, check out the affiliate links down below for an in-depth review on Zen Business. And if there is a deal available, it will be in those links below, which you will not find on their website. Now, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. Also, feel free to leave any questions in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.